The Bhagavad Gita is the archetypal discussion between Paramatma and the conditioned soul. Because a realized conditioned soul will be able to hear all the teachings of Krishna and Gita. Because Krishna is acting as God, and Arjuna is acting as the conditioned soul. So it's Paramatma and the Jiva. So we slip into the seat of Arjuna, and we have doubts, and we ask all the questions, and then Krishna speaks to us in the Gita. Shri Bhagavana Vacha. So therefore, this same principle will happen here. So this is to clarify, Gita is to clarify our mind, and to remove our mental doubts and blocks and anarthas. But we are creatures of mind and heart. So this Gita and Sandarbhas, all these books are for Cetodarpana Marjanam. But then there's the cultivation of the heart, and because the whole idea of Krishna Bhakti is Prema Pumartha Mahan. Prema Pumartha Mahan, the great achievement, Pumartha, Prema Maha Art. The greatest art, or the greatest objective, or the greatest attainment is pure, unadulterated, unmotivated love for Krishna. Anya Vilashita Shunyam, Jnana Karma Adhyanavitam, Anupuyena Krishnana, Shilanam Bhakta Uttama. Uttam Bhakti, Prema Bhakti.